That's funny. Oh, it pulls you so much. I'm trying to keep my head straight so I can, you can keep in screen. Third. And this is where you'll just see everybody blasting down. Okay, we'll just okay everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to have a little blast about the roads. I've not done this for a while. There's a GTD, look, trying to give me some. Oh no, it's just a TSI. Trying to give me some anyway. Trying to give me some straight in the video. I like it. Yeah, so I just thought I'm going to go out and do a POV, obviously camera on head. But I'm going to give you the blast out to get there as well. Well, we'll see how it turns out. Not the boring bits, obviously, like this. I suppose to get a little idea of what we're like driving in just normal little villages. So this is just a little village. This is the village of Wellington. Okay. Now this is a 30 here, so I'll cut back to you after this bit. So if you are new to the channel, remember to hit the subscribe. Free punnet of grapes for anyone that does. Send them along to you, no problem. Apparently 84% of you that watch my videos don't subscribe. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. Oh, that's got to be the highest I've ever heard on anyone's video. So these are quite little skinny village roads. It is 7:30. Well, there's a guy doing some pretend boxing on the street. Did you see him? I hope I got him. That was good. So we're going to do a right here. Now if you are YouTubers, and I'm going to give something away here, but if you're true dedicated fans then you'll know this already, but as I turn right here there's a rather large YouTube channel that's often hacked called TGF Bro, and one of their main content producers lives here. So I'm sure they won't be watching, but anyone that knows where I am will know that we are. There we are there. There's water running down my road, bro! My favourite phrase. Anyway, back to the drive. So I'm going to be a bit more detailed with this drive, I suppose. Now I've just been in and watched the football. So I've come out after the football, which was Aston Villa versus Man City. And I'm not a follower of either clubs. And I shan't tell you my club for fear of my subscriptions dropping to 0. But it's probably in my videos somewhere else. I think I've already lost subscribers because I was wearing an affiliated top. So, as the match has just finished and it was a draw, well done Aston Villa, very impressive. We're gonna go. So there's some popular road for motorbikes, this to blast down. We're going to go down a road called Aston Lane when we get there. Oh yeah. Never know how it's going to be with traffic. Saturday evening, so you'd hope it would be a bit quieter. I have been down this road. If you watch my videos you'll know. I've been these bumps. I've been down this road. I don't know whether I've been down this road. I can't remember. But this is Aston Lane. Yeah, it goes over the motorway here. That's the motorway there. I think I can't remember being down here, but I might have been. But I looked on the map. It might be a bit single tracky. Oh, it is. Oh, it's a funny noise. It is a bit single tracky, and I can't really see what's happening. If I slow down, it's because I can't see what's happening. Look at this road. You can see on my sat nav here. Quite windy. Well, this is a 30, right? So we'll be cutting. I would have carried this bit on here, but it's all got a bit too scary, even for me. And is it still a 30? I think it's still a 30 as well. Look at all the crows. Oh, I can see you. I love these roads because I've no idea where I am, and then I'll end up and go, oh, I do know where I am, but at the moment I don't know where I am. I have to keep checking I'm recording. I forget whether I've stopped or not. It's a bit uneven. You can't always get that on the video, as I've said before. The GTI holds on well. I'm getting slightly more confident with it. Now I know it sticks a bit better. And I think, oh, okay, down. Car's just working a bit better as well generally, I think. Oof. The car's just working a bit better generally, I think. Everything just gelling in a bit better. Can't see anything down there. Now I start to get the feeling that I've been the other way down this road. See, yes, a nice drag in. Not that they'll be children, because have I stumbled onto that same bit again? I think I have. Have I managed to do that? See, that's what happens. I've stumbled onto the bit where I've done a POV recently. Well, here we go anyway. It's getting dark, but we'll call it a night time. It's just like it burst back into life after the 30. Right, okay, so this is where I always thank you for subscribing, so thanks for subscribing, everyone. Oh my god, down into that corner. Oh, that's funny. Oh, it pulls you so much. I'm trying to keep my head straight so you can keep in screen. Now we normally go this way, so why don't we go up this way? I still think we've been this way as well. I think we've maybe never been down that way before. I'd like to do more of these. I know this is all I do on my channel, everyone, but I think people enjoy it. I enjoy it, and trust me, the amount of videos that I do is nothing compared to actually the amount of times I come out and drive about in the cars and have fun. I could put a camera on my head every time, but you'd probably be bored out of your brains. Bit uppy and downy there, bloody hell. Slow, slow, slow. Okay, slow there, and slow there. Third. And this is where you'll just see everybody blasting down, because this is what this road's all about. That was a Fiesta there. Looked like a little fast one. Always a bird in the road. Oh no. Car so a bit slower. What we got this time? Honda. Let's see what we pass coming down. It is later. Oh yeah. 63. Someone who commented on my video, they liked the 63, so I thought that's why I'd put the 63 up. Okay, no need to change here. Down. No need to change here. Down. Then I'm going to go over to this side, everyone, just because there's double bounces over there. There they are. I can come back in. Oh, this has been a good run down here. This is why it's good to come, isn't it, outside and do some other runs sometime. Because you never know what kind of run you're going to get. That's been a good one. Oh yeah. Oh nice. Slow. I feel like there's something chasing me, but I don't think there is. I think it's just something glinting in my eye. Oh yeah. I don't think I've ever been all the way down here without something being in front of me. I've always had to slow down somewhere. Oh, I'm glad I did this actually now. Oof. Nothing special. I think there was a couple of pops from the exhaust there. Okay, coming to the end, everyone. Okay, so the last little bit then, just to get home. And see, I can hear the exhaust making popping noises, which it hasn't done before, and I think that's because it doesn't get driven often, this car, everyone. This is about as often as I drive it for these videos. It sits in my garage, as I've said before. And very rarely comes out. I need to do these videos, as I said. Oh, listen to the air intake. So, this is the speed bit to home, everyone. I'm at 62 now. This is how I always end my videos, seems to be at the moment, with a bit of speed.
Skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
So everyone, if you like the POVs, then you can go watch a POV, or if you want to see the GTI reviewed after 6 months, watch the one up there. I'll see you next time. Thanks everyone, ta-da!
6 AM and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend.